Many English learners hear the phrase opposite to, but they are not always sure what it really means. Does it mean across the road, facing something, or just near it? In this episode, we'll clearly understand how opposite to is used to describe position. Welcome back to our Prepositions and Position Words series. In the previous episode, we learned beyond, which shows distance past a limit. Today, we'll learn opposite to, which describes two things facing each other. Opposite to means facing something from the other side. It shows that two objects are directly across from each other. For example, the cafe is opposite to the bus stop. This shows the cafe faces the bus stop across the road. Opposite to focuses on facing position. Across from focuses on being on the other side. Often, both are possible, but opposite to clearly shows facing. When talking about buildings, we often use opposite to. The library is opposite to the school. We also use it for shops and public places. The bank is opposite to the grocery store. A common mistake is saying opposite of. The correct and natural phrase for place is opposite to. For example, my house is opposite to yours. This shows the houses face each other directly. To remember this easily, think of two people standing face to face. If they face each other, they are opposite to each other. Now that the meaning is clear, let's move into daily life sentence examples. Notice how opposite to always shows two things facing each other. Let's start with a commonplace example. The post office is opposite to the park. They face each other. Now, let's look at transport. The bus stop is opposite to the mall. This shows facing position. Let's move to housing. My house is opposite to his. They are directly facing. Now consider travel. The hotel is opposite to the beach. The beach is directly in front. Let's look at city life. The cinema is opposite to the restaurant. They face each other. Now, imagine daily services. The hospital is opposite to the pharmacy. This shows clear facing position. Let's move to public spaces. The statue is opposite to the fountain. They face each other in the square. Now consider indoors. The classroom is opposite to the office. They face each other across the hallway. Let's look at directions. The shop is opposite to the parking entrance. It faces the entrance. Finally, here's another clear example. The temple is opposite to the market. They face each other across the road. Let's recap. Opposite to is used to describe two things that face each other from opposite sides. It clearly shows facing position. That's how we use the phrase opposite to. It helps describe facing position clearly and naturally. In the next episode, we'll learn towards or toward, which shows direction. Keep watching and continue mastering English step by step.